Hi everyone, and welcome to the Get Your Legs Down Caravan Travel YouTube channel and to our latest site arrival video, which features Poolsbrook Country Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site near Staveley in Derbyshire. And I need to say thank you once again to Bob Earnshaw for the footage for this one. As always, a link to Bob's YouTube channel is in the description below. Once again, we'll be following directions provided by the club, the first of which is to leave the M1 at junction 29A. At the roundabout, take the third exit onto the A6192, signposted Staveley. From this point to the site now, it's just 1.8 miles. At the next roundabout, take the third exit to continue on the A6192. And it's straight over at the next roundabout to continue on the A6192. Ignore the left turn here to Poolsbrook, continue straight on for Poolsbrook Country Park. Note the colliery wheel on the left hand side there. Your turning to the left is coming up very soon. Turn left here into Meadow Drive. And left again into Pavilion Drive. From here to the site now, it's just a third of a mile up the hill and around to the right. The site is open all year round and has 96 pitches, roughly 2/3 of which are hard standing. It's open to non-members, but sadly they don't accept tents. Wi-Fi reception is rated as gold, but TV reception is said to be poor. The country park is right on your doorstep. The Trans-Pennine Way adjoins the site. Staveley is just 2 miles away and Chesterfield is just under 6 miles away. And here we are, Poolsbrook Country Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Thank you once again to Bob for the footage, and thank you to you too for watching.